In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin by logging into your monday.com account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard, which is the starting point for all your projects. Next, to access your profile, look for your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Here you'll want to find and select the option labeled Import Data. This is the gateway to bringing in files from different sources. Now you'll see a variety of platforms and file types to choose from. If you're looking to upload a standard document or spreadsheet, make sure to select the appropriate icon. For example, if you have an Excel file to upload, you'll want to choose the Excel option. This will help you ensure that your data is formatted correctly when you bring it into monday.com. Once you select your source, it's time to upload the file. In the upload window that appears, you'll notice an area designated for dragging and dropping files. If that's convenient for you, take the file from your computer and drag it right into your browser. This is a quick and efficient way to get your documents uploaded. Alternatively, if you prefer to browse through your computer's folders to find the file, that's perfectly fine too. Simply click on the area that allows you to select a file and navigate to the document you want to upload. Once you've found it, select it and click Open to begin the upload process. As your file is being uploaded, keep an eye on the progress bar that appears on the screen. This progress bar is there to tell you how much of your file has been uploaded and how much is left. It's important to wait for this upload to fully complete to ensure that no data is lost. Finally, once your upload has finished, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your file has been successfully imported. This is your assurance that everything has gone according to plan. And there you have it. You've effectively uploaded files on monday.com. Remember, whether you choose to drag and drop or browse through your folders, carefully monitor the upload progress and look out for that confirmation message to make sure everything was successful. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using monday.com effectively.